Hey everyone, today we embark on a transformative journey, the intricacies of constructing a brand from its very inception. Whether you are setting up a startup, nurturing a small business, or birthing a novel product, the journey to brand triumph necessitates strategic foresight and meticulous execution. In this comprehensive guide, we will navigate through 7 pivotal steps, unrevealing the profound intricacies of brand creation and its dynamic evolution. Step number 1. Research your target audience. Continuing on this journey of market exploration, extend your research efforts beyond mere demographics, delving into the psychographic nuances that shape your audience lifestyles, values, and aspirations. Seek to uncover the emotional triggers that resonate with your customers, understanding not just what they need but also why they desire it. Embrace a holistic view that transcends surface-level preferences, allowing you to tailor your product or service to address deeper, more meaningful aspects of your audience lives. Simultaneously, refine your competitor analysis by recognizing their strategies, strengths, and weaknesses. Identify gaps in the market where your offerings can stand out and address unmet needs. Leverage data-driven insights garnered from social listening tools to discern sentiment, emerging trends, and the ever-evolving vernacular of your audience. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to parse through vast amounts of online conversations, extracting invaluable nuggets of information that may elude traditional methods. Furthermore, consider engaging directly with your audience through surveys, focus groups, or interactive online platforms. Encourage open dialogue to gain qualitative insights, fostering a sense of community and involvement. This collaborative approach not only deepens your understanding of customer perspectives, but also establishes a rapport that can lead to enhanced customer loyalty. In this comprehensive approach to researching your target audience, view each piece of information as a puzzle piece, fitting together to create a comprehensive portrait. By intricately weaving together these insights, you not only refine your understanding of your market, but also position yourself strategically to anticipate and respond effectively to the ever-evolving landscape of customer preferences and market dynamics. Step number 2. Identify your core values. Your strategic journey involves delving into the essence of your brand by identifying and articulating its core values. Picture your brand as a living entity, whether it be a person, a vehicle, or even a creator, and contemplate the quintessential qualities that distinguish it amidst a crowded landscape. This introspective process requires a deep exploration of what your brand stands for and the principles that guide its actions. To effectively communicate your brand's identity, endeavor to craft a compelling positioning statement. This succinct declaration should encapsulate the unique attributes that set you apart, much like 103.CA's unwavering commitment to sustainability. A positioning statement serves as the beacon that illuminates your brand's values, mission, and vision, acting as a compass to guide strategic decision-making. Consider the values that resonate with your target audience, aligning them with the broader societal trends and expectations. Whether it is a dedication to innovation, environmental consciousness, or customer centricity, your core values should not only reflect your brand's identity, but also resonate authentically with the aspirations and values of your customers. Moreover, take inspiration from successful brands that have effectively leveraged their core values to create a distinct identity in the market. Analyze how these values are interwoven into their messaging, products, and overall brand experience. This observation can offer valuable insights into the seamless integration of values into the fabric of a brand, fostering a stronger emotional connection with the audience. By investing time and effort into identifying and defining your core values, you not only solidify your brand's identity, but also lay the groundwork for creating a lasting and authentic connection with your target audience. As you proceed with this step, envision your brand as a dynamic force driven by a set of principles that resonate with both your organization's ethos and the desires of your customers, contributing to a distinctive and enduring market presence. Step number 3. Choose your business name. Step 3 marks a pivotal moment in your strategic journey. Selecting the business name the very embodiment of your brand's identity. Recognize this nomenclature as your brand's inaugural handshake with the world, a first impression that carries significant weight. To ensure a lasting impact, immerse yourself in the art of crafting a name that goes beyond mere relevance, aiming for uniqueness and memorability that etches itself into the collective consciousness of your target audience. Engage in a deliberate and creative brainstorming process, involving key stakeholders and considering various perspectives. Uncover the secrets behind effective naming strategies, understanding the subtle nuances that distinguish a memorable name from the forgettable. Explore linguistic elements, phonetics, and connotations to ensure that your chosen name resonates positively with your audience. Additionally, examine the potential cultural, social, and global implications of the name to avoid unintended associations that could impact your brand image. Take inspiration from iconic examples of brand names that have transcended time, examining the stories behind their choices. Analyze how these names encapsulate the essence of the brand, evoke emotions, or convey a unique selling proposition. Consider the balance between simplicity and sophistication, aiming for a name that is not only easy to pronounce and remember but also conveys the desired brand image. Furthermore, consider the availability of domain names and social media handles associated with your chosen business name. In the digital age, a cohesive online presence is crucial, and securing a consistent identity across platforms enhances brand recognition. As you navigate the intricacies of choosing a business name, view it as an opportunity to establish a powerful and enduring brand narrative. A well-crafted name has the potential to become a cornerstone of a brand's identity, laying the foundation for recognition, trust, and resonance in the competitive marketplace. Approach this step with a blend of creativity, strategic thinking, and an understanding of your audience, ensuring that your brand name becomes a compelling entry point into the hearts and minds of your customers. Step 4. Define your branding attributes. In step 4 of your strategic journey, the focus shifts to defining the distinct emotional symphony your brand aims to compose. This involves outlining a harmonious blend of visual and emotional attributes that will resonate profoundly with your target audience, creating a lasting and memorable impression. Begin by envisioning the emotional landscape you want your brand to occupy. Consider the feelings, perceptions, and associations you want customers to experience when interacting with your brand. This emotional attribute serves as the foundation for shaping your brand's identity and influencing the overall customer experience. To bring this vision to life, engage in the creation of mood boards that encapsulate the essence of your brand. These visual collages can incorporate imagery, colors, textures, and other elements that evoke the desired emotional response. The mood board serves as a reference point for ensuring consistency in design, messaging, and overall brand aesthetics. Meticulously curate a color palette that not only aligns with your brand's ethos but also communicates effectively with your audience. Colors carry inherent psychological associations, and a thoughtful selection can contribute to conveying the values and personality of your brand. Consider cultural and industry norms, as well as the emotional impact of each color, to strike a balance that resonates authentically with your target audience. Furthermore, think about the typography, imagery, and design elements that will consistently represent your brand across various touchpoints. Establish guidelines that maintain a cohesive visual identity, fostering brand recognition and reinforcing the emotional connection you seek to establish. As you define your branding attributes, recognize that this process extends beyond aesthetics. It extends to the holistic experience your brand offers. By cultivating a carefully curated blend of visual and emotional elements, you pave the way for a brand identity that not only stands out in a crowded marketplace but also leaves a lasting imprint on the hearts and minds of your customers. Approach this step with a keen understanding of your target audience and a commitment to weaving a compelling narrative that resonates with authenticity and emotional depth. Step number 5. Write a slogan. In step 5 of your strategic journey, you venture into the realm of linguistic creativity by crafting a slogan that serves as the heartbeat of your brand. A well-crafted slogan is more than just a string of words. It is a powerful encapsulation of your brand's essence, a rallying cry that resonates with your audience and remains eternally etched in their minds. Begin this process By understanding the core message and values you want your slogan to convey, consider the emotional resonance you seek to create and the key differentiators that set your brand apart. Your slogan should not only be catchy, but also succinctly communicate the unique value proposition or brand promise that defines your business. Witness the creative alchemy behind constructing a slogan by engaging in brainstorming sessions. Involve key stakeholders, tapping into diverse perspectives to generate a pool of ideas. Experiment with language, tone, and rhythm to find a combination that captures the spirit of your brand. Test the slogans against your brand's missions and values, ensuring alignment with your overarching strategic objectives. In addition to being memorable and resonant, a successful slogan should also be versatile enough to adapt across various marketing channels, whether it is print, digital, or spoken word. Your slogan should maintain its impact and clarity. Strive for simplicity, ensuring that your audience can quickly grasp and recall the essence of your brand through the slogan. As you embark on this linguistic endeavor, recognize that your slogan is a dynamic expression of your brand's identity. It serves as a succinct distillation of your brand's personality, creating an emotional connection with your audience. By infusing creativity and strategic intent into this process, you can craft a slogan that not only stands the test of time but also becomes an integral part of your brand's narrative, resonating with authenticity and leaving a lasting imprint on the collective consciousness of your audience. Step number 6. Align with your mission. In step 6 of your strategic journey, the focus shifts to the critical aspect of consistency as the bedrock of brand success. Ensuring that every facet of your brand seamlessly aligns with your mission is paramount, creating a cohesive narrative that reinforces your brand identity and resonates with your target audience. Immerse yourself in the profound process of crafting a mission statement that goes beyond mere words, becoming a guiding force for your brand's trajectory. Your mission statement should encapsulate the purpose, values, and aspirations of your brand, serving as a compass that directs decision-making and shapes the overall direction of your business. Begin by reflecting on the core principles that drive your brand. Consider the impact you aim to make on your customers and the broader community. Your mission statement should articulate the unique value your brand brings to the world, aligning the needs and desires of your target audience. Strive for clarity and conciseness, ensuring that the essence of your mission is easily understood and embraced by both internal stakeholders and external customers. Once your mission statement is established, rigorously assess every aspect of your brand to ensure alignment, from visual elements such as logos and color palettes to messaging, customer interactions, and business practices. Every touchpoint should reinforce and reflect the values articulated in your mission statement. Consistency across these touchpoints not only builds trust but also contributes to a seamless and memorable brand experience. Moreover, communicate your mission internally to foster a shared sense of purpose among your team members. An aligned and motivated team is instrumental in delivering a brand experience that authentically reflects your mission to the outside world. By prioritizing alignment with your mission at every stage of your brand development, you create a strong foundation for brand success. This step ensures that your brand becomes not just a collection of elements, but a cohesive and authentic entity with a clear purpose, resonating with your audience on a deeper level and setting the stage for enduring connections and loyalty. Step number 7. Design your logo and apply your branding. In step 7, you delve into the visual representation of your brand, recognizing your logo as the visual ambassador that encapsulates your brand's personality and values. This creative odyssey involves a step-by-step journey of logo creation, emphasizing the pivotal role of consistent brand application across various touchpoints. Embark on the process of designing your logo with a clear understanding of your brand's identity, mission, and target audience. Begin by brainstorming visual elements that symbolize your brand's essence and values. Consider the use of shapes, colors, and typography to evoke the desired emotional response. A well-designed logo should be memorable, scalable, and versatile, ensuring that it can be effectively applied across a range of mediums and contexts. Collaborate with talented designers or design teams to bring your vision to life. Provide with a comprehensive brief that includes your brand guidelines, mission statement, any specific elements you want to incorporate. Engage in an iterative process, allowing for feedback and refinement to ensure the final design aligns seamlessly with your brand identity. As you witness the step-by-step journey of logo creation, recognize the significance of each element. The choice of colors can evoke specific emotions, while shapes and symbols can convey deeper meanings. Typography plays a crucial role in communicating the tone and personality of your brand. The synergy of these elements should result in a visually compelling logo that not only reflects your brand identity but also resonates with your target audience. Once your logo is finalized, apply consistent branding across various touchpoints. This includes your website, social media profiles, business cards, packaging, and any other mediums through which your brand is presented. Consistency reinforces brand recognition and establishes a cohesive visual identity that enhances the overall brand experience. By dedicating attention to the design of your logo and ensuring consistent brand application, you create a visual language that communicates the essence of your brand to the world. This visual representation becomes an integral part of your brand storytelling, leaving a lasting impression on your audience and contributing to the cohesive and memorable identity you aim to cultivate. Congratulations, you have successfully traversed the intricate path of building a brand from its embryonic stages. Remember, brand building is an ever-evolving saga. Stay nimble as your brand blossoms. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video, where I will introduce how to choose a business name and craft your brand, a step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you onto the next one.